Hello everyone, this is going to be a brief tutorial on how to take advantage of the ICHI Vaults that Aurelius offers alongside Clio. So I'm on the Aurelius app homepage, I'm just on the dashboard, and if you go to stake, you will see this ICHI Vault here that has a really nice APR attached to it. So I've been getting a lot of questions about this. It can be kind of confusing because you see an aUSD staking vault, you click stake and maybe you have some aUSD in my wallet like I do now, but you see none of the balance showing up. So the reason is because this staking is actually an LP token staking vault. So you have to actually create the LP first and then stake the LP in the vault. And I'll show you how to do that now. So let's go over to Clio. So this is Clio.exchange. And I'm going to go to the single stake tab. And this is where the ICHI vaults will show up. And this aUSD vault here is exactly the same as this one, right? So single stake tab on Clio.exchange, and I just want to deposit into this aUSD vault or pool, create the token, the pool token, and then deposit that token on Aurelius. So I'm going to click this. I have 10 aUSD. I'm going to obviously approve and then deposit. And while I do this, just a quick note about the ICHI vaults. So ICHI is an ALM, they're an automated liquidity manager. They manage concentrated liquidity. And what's cool about their vaults is that they accept single deposits. So this is why it's a single stake, because I am only depositing aUSD. When I withdraw, I will get some mix of aUSD and AU. It will mostly be aUSD. But the way the vaults work is they kind of rebalance the. So here's the LP token that I'm claiming, and this is what I'll be able to stake on Aurelius. So the vaults they manage some targeted weight of the two assets. Usually it's 80-20. So this vault will have 80% aUSD and 20% AU. You just deposit the single token. And then when you withdraw, you'll have mostly aUSD and some AU. But the goal of the vault is to grow your aUSD as much as possible. And you can see the swap fee APR is pretty good. But then along with the this crazy APR paid out in OAU, it's a really, really good deal. So let me just refresh. And then after I have just deposited into the vault, now that I have my LP token, I'll be able to come here and stake my LP token successfully. So there we go. Now the LP token is showing up. I'll just hit max, do another approval, and I'll stake, and then I will be in the vault. So I know it's a bit laborious. It's a bit annoying to have to make the LP first and stake it. Unfortunately, we couldn't find a good solution for just depositing the underlying token. It's a lot of lift. So this is the way it needs to be. But I hope this video has cleared all that up. And yeah, these vaults, like I said, they're cool. Single side deposit, it'll grow that deposit. And as more people, so I just approved, now I'm staking. As more people enter, as more people deposit aUSD, it actually incentivizes the reweighting of the pool for that aUSD to slowly sort of, I guess the pool, like sophisticated LPs will be incentivized to reweight that pool. So they'll be incentivized to buy AU. I guess, there's a more elegant way to explain it, but the result of a lot of these vaults is just ever so slight buy pressure on the counter asset using aUSDs to support the AU price. So in any case, that is how it's done. You can now see I've deposited. So just quick recap, you just go to Clio.exchange, the single stake tab, deposit into this aUSD pool here, and then take your LP token and stake it on Aurelius, and you'll be good to go. All right, I hope that was clear. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your week, and let me know if you've got any questions. Hit me up in the Codex Discord anytime. All right, cheers, guys. See ya.